Locals catch fish at the inundated National Highway 57 in the Boudh area after ponds of the Fisheries Department got flooded following heavy and continuous rainfall. Lipsa Pattnaik, District Fisheries Officer, Boudh says, around 2 tons of fish washed away due to heavy rainfall. There is a loss of about 9 lakhs rupees.
Numbers of pond, including spawning nursery tank, brooder tank, and rearing tank, which are situated in the government fish farm Boudh. Due to heavy rainfall, all the tanks are overflooded, and near about 150 lakhs of spawn and 2 tons of brooder fish has been washed out. So approximately 9 lakh of loss which given to the government. But on the other hand, the local people get benefited because it is shown that people are catching fish in freely on the national highway from those fish which were escaped out from the government fish farm.
Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.